The star wars over Rihanna's tweet continues here in Bollywood. Actor Kangana Ranaut has now attacked Taapsee Pannu, who in a recent tweet made an indirect comment over Rihanna's comment on the farmers' protest. Kangana, in response to Taapsee, has described her as a B-grade actor and a freeloader. Kangana has gone on to add that Taapsee got recognition after she started imitating Kangana and went on to call Taapsee a wannabe, desperate and clueless moron. Taapsee seemingly commented on Rihanna's tweet, seemingly unperturbed, and said that if one tweet or joke rattles unity, there is need to work on strengthening the value system of not becoming propaganda teachers for others. That's the latest coming in at the moment. Pia Hingorani is joining us for the very latest. Pia, we are seeing a pattern with Kangana Ranaut. You're getting very personal. You have a larger story that you're talking about in national interest, and she goes on to take to her Twitter and starts getting very personal and starts hitting out on other fellow actresses as well. And it's not nice to call somebody a wannabe or a B-grade actor or a B-grade actress, calling somebody a moron like that. I mean, what's going on over here?
Well, Chetty, in all fairness, she called Rihanna foolish as well. But her war with Taapsee has been going on for many years right now. She always has called her a sasti copy. She has called her a wannabe. She's called her all sorts of names only because, of course, if you recall, Taapsee has very curly hair. So she's always, maintained the fact that, Taapsee has tried to imitate her, and her only identity in Bollywood is that she's a lookalike of Kangana Ranaut. But, Taapsee has always gone on to say that because she's a senior, she does not want to comment. Even now, if you see, she does not want to comment on Kangana and her, whatever that she has tweeted. But it's interesting to see how,
No, it is. I would call this is an art. Talk about a national issue, and while talking about a national issue, and yes, everyone is entitled to an opinion on a national issue. But then to get super personal, this is somewhere she finds creative ways of getting personal with other people, and it's just kind of redundant to see a big star like Kangana Ranaut, and needless to say, she's a national awards winner as well, to then get so petty with other actors.
But this has always been the case. I mean, if you see it from the beginning, even when she spoke about the Nirbhaya case or any national issue, like you rightly said, for that matter, she does, of course, bring in her personal, fights in between as well. But at the same time, she is the only one who actually speaks out about, the national issues. Up until now, if you've noticed, Chaiti, no other Bollywood celebrity, till Rihanna actually tweeted, no other Bollywood celebrity did really speak about the farmers' protest. It was only her. Of course, post Rihanna, we've seen the likes of Akshay Kumar, Ajay Devgan, Karan Johar, Ekta Kapoor. But up until now, no one has really spoken about it. She's the only one actually who does go out there, speak her mind. And of course, she does get into trouble for that. But she's the only one who actually picks up these issues.
But keeping the issues aside, she's now getting personal with Taapsee Pannu, and that's the big story that we're getting you at the moment. And Taapsee has given her a response as well. That's the latest coming. We'll continue getting more reactions on this story.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.